Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Emma compares to other budgeting apps. Emma's primary strength is acting as a comprehensive financial aggregator. It allows you to link a wide range of accounts, including current accounts, savings, credit cards, investments, and even some cryptocurrencies, to see your entire financial life in one place. Many competing apps, like Monzo, often focus mainly on transactions within their own banking ecosystem unless you pay for a premium feature. When comparing features, Emma excels in subscription tracking, automatically identifying and flagging recurring payments, which is a key tool for cutting wasteful spending. Another highlight is its user-friendly, visually appealing interface and detailed spending analysis, which many users find more intuitive than competitors. In contrast, apps like You Need a Budget or In-App follow a strict, zero-based budgeting methodology. In-App is better suited for users who want to be highly proactive, assigning a job to every dollar before they spend it. While Emma offers budgeting tools, its core strength is in real-time tracking, analysis, and giving you an overview, rather than forcing that forward planning discipline. In-App also requires a paid subscription from the start, whereas Emma has a free tier, though many advanced features like custom categories or linking more accounts are behind a paywall, similar to other apps like Monzo Plus. Compared to apps like Mint, which was primarily US-focused and has been discontinued, Emma offers a robust alternative, especially for users in the UK, US, and Canada, with a focus on comprehensive financial health, including debt and net worth tracking, not just simple budgeting. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. If you want a visually slick, all-in-one financial dashboard that automatically tracks subscriptions and monitors multiple account types, Emma is an excellent fit. If you prefer a rigid, envelope-style budgeting system to fundamentally change your spending habits, In-App might be a better option. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.